In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can see password from your connected Wi-Fi. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first is go to your settings. Okay. After going to your settings, you need to find your Wi-Fi option. Like you have to click on connection. After clicking on connection, you need to click on Wi-Fi. Then you will see the Wi-Fi option is open up. Then what you need to do is click on the settings option in the right corner. Please make sure you watch the full video to find your password. So what you need to do next is click on the QR code option right here. After clicking on QR code, you need to save this option, save this QR code, or you can screenshot it. Okay. After save this QR code, what you need to do, you have to go to on your browser. After going to your browser, you need to click search a website like QR code scanner. Okay. After searching that, you need to go to on this website qrcodescanner.net. Please leave a like on this video and please subscribe this channel. So what you need to do next is click on this upload image option. Okay. After clicking on it, you need to upload this image that we just saved. So what you need to do is click on browse. After clicking on that, you can see here is the QR code I just saved. So what you need to do is click on, you just upload it. Then here you can see the QR code is just extracted and the password and the network name is here. So this is how you can find your password and your from your Wi-Fi network. You can see here the Wi-Fi network name and password. So this is how you can find your saved Wi-Fi network password on your Android phone. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel. Peace.